Today we are going to the train station to go to Bray.
3 different beaches.
Oh yeah, true.
It's like, wait, what's the first one?
Greystones?
Greystones, then Bray, then Dunleary. Wait,
Dunleary?
yeah, that's what I heard from your mom. I thought we were just going to Bray.
On
Girl,
second
same.
thought, we're going many places, guys. It is currently, let's see.
Wait, this way.
It is currently 10:50. Not the bus, what the freak. The train arrives at like 11. So I think we're literally almost there, so we're gonna make it in time. What are you guys hoping to do there? At the beaches?
Is there even a...
I know in Bray there's a park. There's an arcade as well.
I don't think I've been to the arcade.
Oh my days, the arcade's so, it's kind of fun. I like the basketball. Shoot some hoops. Well, yeah, we'll tune you guys in later. Bye bye. We are finally on the train. It's so stressful though, because like we had to tap I don't know how many cards, like a lot, and we have to pay like €6.
Crazy.
Oh, but yeah, we're on the way.
Yeah.
See you guys there. Finally here
In Greystone, after like the longest train ride ever.
Oh my days, so long. Oh, we are trying to look for like where we're going to go.
Okay.
It's really sunny. We are here, and I don't know if we're probably going to the beach. Let's go to the beach. So this is like the luckiest day because it's like not raining.
Yeah.
And it's really sunny outside. Like I feel like we're in a foreign country. Like this is not.
Bro, we're like dressed like we're not.
Yeah, like bitches.
Especially after Jaja, she looks like she's like going to Greece or like Italy.
Bitches.
Guys, you like my jewelry? Yeah.
Jewelry check.
Yeah.
I only have this. I have this ring, and then I have these earrings. That's it. But yeah, see y'all later.
Can we put on an accent? Can we put on a British accent?
Okay. Oh no. What about if we do Australian accent?
I can't do an Australian accent.
Sore what?
Oh my gosh. Oh my god, don't even.
British.
British.
Should we do like British Australian accents?
Yeah.
But they're mostly British.
So guys, We are on our way to the train station.
We are going to Bray. We just finished in Greystones. We played with lots of stones. We stacked them. We threw them.
So good.
We threw them, and we had lots of fun. It was splendid. Anyway. But yeah, we are on our way. See y'all later.
Bye bye, toodles.
Toodaloo.
Update, we're here in Bray now. Yeah, it's so pretty, guys.
It's so nice. I'm excited for the arcade.
Oh, yeah.
Yay. Wow. But it's like, it's not like hot because it's windy, which is kind of good.
Yeah.
So I think that's good. Back home.
Oh wait, no, it's not born again. Is it born again?
I didn't film in the arcade, but yeah.
That is
Very tiring. Very warm. Very warm. We're all tired.
Lollipop, guys. That was such a scam, the arcade.
Yeah.
We got like 200 plus tickets and we got lollipops.
4 lollipops.
Guys,
All of
don't
that.
go there.
That was 50 tickets each.
Don't go there, guys. Not worth it.
You're just fanning yourself.
Both of the actors
They're both. Oh, you can't see, but she's fanning herself. She's also fanning herself. Oi, 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 oi. Really bits, really bits, really bits, really bits. We went outside to eat. Oh wait, more Philippines. Yeah. We went to get some fish and chips. Well, scampi and chips, and then we got loaded fries, and we kind of wasted lots of food. That felt really wasteful. I mean, like, it was nice, I guess. I did not